And so all scientists know this now, that the universe had to have a beginning, because if we're in a closed system, there's only so much energy in there. If the universe was eternal, we'd have run out of energy a long time ago.
My friend says that God cannot exist because of, he says that the universe is infinite and eternal because of the first law of thermodynamics, that energy cannot be created nor destroyed. And I said, well, that contradicts the second law of thermodynamics.
Right. Well, the first law stated that way is a philosophical statement, which isn't necessarily true. The first law isn't that energy can't be created or destroyed. It's that the total amount of usable energy in a closed system is constant. So as time goes on, the amount of usable energy decreases and the amount of unusable energy increases. One day we're going to go to heat death, and everybody knows that. And so all scientists know this now, that the universe had to have a beginning, because if we're in a closed system, there's only so much energy in there. If the universe was eternal, we'd have run out of energy a long time ago. It'd be like if you had been driving your car from all eternity, it wouldn't have any gas right now. Same thing is true with the universe. So when your friend says the universe is infinite, the first question you want to ask him is, first of all, what do you mean by infinite? And then second, how did you come to that conclusion? And see what he says. And then you can say, have you ever considered that the first law and the second law of thermodynamics show that the universe can't be eternal, which means it had to have a beginning. And if it had a beginning, it must have had a beginner. Now, there's other arguments you can give too, like there can't be an infinite number of days before today, because if there were an infinite number of days before today, this day never would have gotten here, because you'd always have to live another day before you got to this day. I know that can give you intellectual constipation if you think about it, but so no. The universe had to have a beginning, and so did time.